What's going on YouTube? Today I got a brand new YouTube video for y'all, and as you guys read from the title, in today's YouTube video we're going to be unboxing the brand new Apple Watch. This is the Series 7 in the Starlight color with the aluminum case and the Starlight Sport Band color, the 45mm, and then this one is just a GPS. It doesn't have a cellular. So let's go ahead and get this box opened up. Open up these tabs here. Open up these little flap, and right away we get to see different variations of the Apple Watch Series 7. You can get different sport bands, you can get different case colors, different case materials also. You can get an aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, and then the aluminum colors come in the blue, midnight, starlight green, and in the product red. So let's go ahead and put this little box to the side. So the new Apple Watch Series 7 has the largest screen on any other Apple Watch, and the screen goes all the way to the edges, and you get up to 33% faster charging. And then with the always on Retina display, you now get a brighter view of your actual screen, so you get up to 70% brighter indoors when your wrist is down. So you can be able to see your watch even better while your wrist is like down like this. So let's go ahead and open up this little box first. So here I think we have the sport bands themselves. So we go ahead and just peel off this protective seal there. Open up the box. Pull out the sport bands. Apple Watch, nice clean. Bam, open it up. So here is the color. It's a pretty cool color overall. It's not like too flashy or anything like that. It's just like a nice, calm, subtle color. So here it tells you how to actually install your bands onto your actual Apple Watch. So you just go ahead and slide them into the little slots that are in your Apple Watch, and then it tells you how to remove them if you need to remove them. We have a medium to large one, like this one, and then we have a small to medium band. We only get one of these little clips, but you can decide which size you want for these. Alright, so here I got these small bands. So we're going to put those to the side for now, while we go ahead and open up the actual Apple Watch box itself. Go ahead and peel off the little protective seal, just like this, on both sides. And then the Series 7 is also the most durable Apple Watch ever built from Apple. It's crack resistant with their strongest front crystal ever. It's dust resistant up to IP6X certification, and it's water resistant, swim-proof with WR50 water resistance. So you get really good water resistance and dust resistance with the new Apple Watch Series 7. So here you have some simple paperwork, like in every Apple product designed by Apple in California. You have some papers there. It tells you how to start it up. Open your band box, follow the steps, put on your Apple Watch, press the hold side button, follow the steps on the screen to set up, and then put it to charge. So here we have the actual charger. You don't get the power brick, unfortunately. You only get the actual charger itself, so you will have to buy that separately. The good thing about it is that if you do have an iPhone power brick, you can just use this because this is USB-C to the Apple Watch charger. Alright, so here we have the actual Apple Watch itself. Alright, so here we go. We have the Starlight 45mm Series 7 Apple Watch. We have some pretty cool sensors here. This is a lot different from the Series 4 that I'm wearing right now. The front crystal on the Apple Watch Series 7 is 50 times thicker, adding strength and durability to the actual Apple Watch. It has a robust geometry. The front crystal has been redesigned with a flat base, creating a sturdier shape, which is more resistant to cracks. And then you have the OLED display in the back. The touch sensor that has been integrated onto the OLED panel create one unified component and reducing display thickness and borders and making it a lot smoother overall. The new Apple Watch Series 7 also allows you to take an ECG and measure your blood oxygen. So let's go ahead and put the bands on the actual Apple Watch. Just go ahead and just slide it onto these slots, and then just slide this one on into the little slot as well until it kind of clicks. So it's nice and firm in there. It's not coming out. So the new Apple Watch Series 7 also charges really quickly, up to 33% faster charging than the Series 6. In 8 minutes provides you 8 hours of sleep tracking. So that's pretty cool if you want to wear like overnight to sleep track. We'll give you enough battery for 8 hours of sleep tracking. And it also takes 45 minutes to just go from 0 to 80% charge. So that's super fast compared to the other Apple Watches. So let's go ahead and turn on the Series 7. So it is powering up now. So the Apple Watch is water resistant up to 50 meters. You're covered by the Apple Watch. It won't get messed up. You just put it in the water mode and then you'll be perfectly fine. From wallets to texting to calling to paying with your Apple Watch to Siri, the Series 7 overall is really effective and just makes your life a lot more convenient and easy overall. So I'm going to go ahead and get this Apple Watch set up, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here I have the Apple Watch Series 7 all set up. So now it is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Yes, I have a pretty bad tan there from my other watch. So we're just going to go ahead and put it on like this. Bam. And then here we go. The Apple Watch Series 7 in the Starlight color is like a beige. Let's just go ahead and go through the Apple Watch. Swipe up like normal. You have the control center here. We have the apps. Much bigger screen than before. The screen goes all the way to the edges, you guys can see. So here we have another watch face. So you put your watch down, you guys can see that you can still see the time, but you go ahead and just lift it up. Your screen gets brighter and you can be able to see even better. Really cool watch overall. It's only $400 to like $500. I got this one from Best Buy. Series 7 45mm Starlight color aluminum case with the GPS, no cellular. So that's basically going to conclude this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe down below if you guys would like to see more tech videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.